With a better view.
You seriously?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm already fucking recording. Are you serious? Alright, so this is just a bullshit video?
Yeah.
Yo, we're trying to launch this shit, son. This shit's gonna end up going through someone's window and pissing someone off. But you know what? Guess what, Ezekiel?
Do we give a fuck?
Hell yeah! No, we don't.
This is already done.
Oh shit, son. You know, fuck it, this is going on Facebook too.
Why? Because I just finished it?
Hang on.
Yeah. Excuse my nervous finger.
Did she excuse your nervous fingers? No signal?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the next video. Deuces!